Right, be safe, be confident. For a long, long time, I've needed a hand dolly that would work effectively for handling sheet goods, large beams, and other items. What I came up with for this had to have a hand dolly, two wheels in the 12-inch range for outdoor use, an axle about 24 inches long, two conduit clamps, four hose clamps, some 1/4-inch hardware, which requires a 7/16 wrench, 17/6 nut driver. What I started out with my cart, did a few measurements. Now I got my cart, axle placement. Had to find the center line. Then my axle. Like I say, the axle, it don't have to be a 1-inch like mine. It can be whatever fits the wheels. So the first order of business, after the center line, you come in here with your clamps. Quarter-inch hardware, another conduit clamp, mounting the axle on the hand cart is alrighty. This is where the wrench and the nut driver come in handy. Now that you got an axle mounted to the hand cart, next order of business, hose clamp, hose clamp. What you see these do is they locate the wheels. This is the way that I find works for me to put stuff on an axle and get instead of fancy and drilling holes and putting different type of keyway stuff on there. So what I'm doing here, I measured and cut the axle that I needed to length. Slide my wheel out against it. Taking my hose clamp here, which is so I've just use those. Same process on this side. Take my wheel. Hose clamp again. You can see there's mighty different ways you can use hose clamps. Didn't use any Carter keys. Right here, I've located the wheel again. We've got clearance there and clearance here. Now you got the wheels on the axle mounted to the hand cart. This is the way your hand cart works now. I just found out I needed to make one more mod to that thing. That worked, but I didn't like leaning over to put something on it. So, took a board. I drill holes in the board. Then I drill through the board to know where to drill the holes in the hand cart. That's where alignment tool comes in. Then all I got to do is where the bolts come through. Bolt the board to the hand cart. Alrighty. Next step, tighten down the hardware. Alright, I'd already tightened down the clamps when I first started. You'll see why I put a board on there now. See, took a typical hand cart, put a board on there. That way when you turn the cart loose, it stays put. So now, this is one of the things I needed to do. Big beams, garage door headers, and the like. Now they got a way to move the big beams. Moves kind of like this. This is a build-up garage door header, 14 feet long. You got sheet goods, drywall, plywood. You can see the advantage of having the wood on there. The other things that I find that I need to move is big heavy-duty double-size pallets. Some of them are made out of oak and extremely heavy. You see, I'm not holding it up, it supports itself with that type of axle. Once you got it loaded on the dolly, here again, positive control, rough country, works terrific. Thank you.